Hello friends, welcome to day 12 of our exciting AI journey. So, hi, I'm Akshay Goyal. Have you ever trained any machine learning model that performed great on training data but failed miserably on test data? Or maybe it was too simple and missed the patterns? Let's dive in. And before that, please do subscribe to our channel AI Code Gyan so that you don't miss any day content and keep learning AI. So let us learn AI together. Well, you have just encountered overfitting and underfitting. Let's break it down. So, hello friends, now let us see when we suppose if we plot it on XY graph. So, when we take some scattered points which are included in test data. So, if we plot a straight line, so we can see the bias is high and we can see like there are a lot of points we are not able to cover. So, this model is very simple and this is a case of underfitting. And suppose if we use a noisy curve covering all the points test data, then this is basically overfitting. So, what it means, this will have high variance. Now, when we talk about perfect fit, so this will be covering all the points. It will be neither overfit, neither underfit. This will be a good fit. So, this example of a good fit. Now, this is mathematically, you can say mathematically seen by a Bias-Variance trade-off equation. So, now let us see the equation. So, according to Bias-Variance trade-off equation, we can create total error is equal to bias square plus variance plus total reducible error. So, here if the variance is high, this is a case of overfitting. And if suppose bias is high, then this is a case of underfitting. And if, so hello friends, now let us see when we suppose if we plot it on XY graph. So when we take some scattered points which are included in test data. So if we plot a straight line, so we can see the bias is high and we can see like there are a lot of points we are not able to cover. So this model is very simple and this is a case of underfitting. And suppose if we use a noisy curve covering all the points test data, then this is basically overfitting. So what it means, this will have high variance. Now we can give equations for this curve as well. Suppose we have high bias curve, so this is a linear curve. It will be k will be function of x, linear function of x, theta naught is 3 by x. Whereas when we talk about overfitting curve, this will be theta naught plus theta 1 x square plus 2 x cube plus theta 3 x 4. So this is a polynomial curve. That is let us see the condition of perfect fit or ideal condition. So here let us plot an xy plane. So this curve will be with low bias and low variance. So this will be a perfect case. We can see the curve is perfect here. this will nearly cover all the points. So this is a perfect fit. Let us see how we can solve this. Now let us see how to resolve these problems. Now to fix overfitting, use generalization L1 by L2. So when we calculate MSE, that is mean square error, then we add a term of L1 or L2 to make sure that the biasing is fixed. So in overfitting we have low bias, high variance, so that condition will be fixed with the help of L1 or L2 factor. So second is pruning decision trees. So pruning means here we cut down the leaves from the decision node so that overfitting is reduced. Third is add dropout in neural networks. So in case of big neural networks, so we have condition, that facility of dropout. And now we'll talk about underfitting. So basically to solve the problem of underfitting, since the model is simple, we use a more complex model. We can achieve better features to meet the data points, reduce regularization constraints. So we can reduce regularization constraints to meet the diverse points, diverse data sets, so that we can reduce the bias and bring it to condition of good fit. Thank you. Hello friends, today we have covered day 12. It is overfitting and underfitting, common ML mistakes. So if you have any doubt, just put in comments. Now next we'll be covering model evaluation metrics. It is accuracy, precision, R1. And please do subscribe to our channel and do hit the like button and put the notification on so that you can regularly watch videos and don't miss any day content. So keep learning AI. Let us learn AI together. If you have any doubt, just put in comments. You can watch other videos or the playlist link given in the description. Okay, bye bye.